Hey guys, it's a project review. Yeah, today I just want to show you what we call a printer for commercial purposes. Yeah, and I'm going to record this video in chapters, so you can decide to choose a chapter which you want to watch. Yes, so this machine, the name of this printer, it's called MP c4504ex. Yeah, so you can, if you want to make more research about it, just in this tutorial I will give you only the how to operate it and do some simple tasks on this machine. So to talk on its design, as you can see, it has this slot here, the upper one, for scanning documents. Yes, then here it has also for photocopying on this one. Then it is designed with a monitor, also a monitor which you can move. It's movable to any side which you want. Yes, then this monitor, it is also equipped with a more slots, or what we call ports, for either USB and others. Yes, then also we have this section where when you print, where things will come, the papers will come. Then it also comes with a NFC for either scanning, if you want to if you lock this machine, because it's a secure machine. You can lock it without the passwords. No one can access it. For example, if you put it in a big company, it means that anyone to use this device, he must be having access to use it. Then it comes also with a Bluetooth. Someone who is near can use the Bluetooth to open it or to give access to someone. Yes, then it comes also with the also this card lock. You can use this one to access or to grant someone access, or you can use it to open it without a need for putting the passwords. Yes, then down here also it comes with the slots for papers. As you can see, the paper sizes as they are identified. Yes, so it has, as I said, it does malfunction. It has a lot of things which it can do. So today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial how you can scan to email, and how you can scan to email and scan to folders, how you can scan the IDs without changing the papers. So as I said, guys, I'm recording this video in chapters, so you can decide to choose the chapter which you want. So we are going to start with how you can operate it here on the screen. So on the screen, once it's in a dim mode, once you tap on it, you automatically, it will just give you the screen for the password. So once you have the password to access this machine, you just put the password. It will automatically open or give you the access. So before we proceed with the scanning, let me just tell you small features about it. So this machine, it is mostly used in big companies because of its low consumption. Yeah, per week it takes only 1.8 kilowatts compared to other devices, and you can set it to duplex printing. You can set that one as a default. Then you can also schedule automatic shutdown during the off-peak hours. Yeah, for example, you can set it over the weekend. It can automatically always go off or shut down. Yes, so those are one of the things that it is good or they like about these devices. So to go ahead, you can also track the activities. So whoever use this machine, once you come, for example, you are the administrator, you can track and know who used and what type of the paper which he printed. I'll show you also that one. So it has also a restrict color printing. It is on printing, for example, the posts and what, it is so good. It gives you a good printing. Then also you can set print quotas and more. Yes, so to go ahead, let me just put the password and we proceed. So now here I can put the password, or I can use my card to access. Yes, let me use my card. So now, as you can see, I'll put my card. Now I've accessed. So here the functions we have: scan to email. We have here, if you click here, meaning here you can scan to email direct. So here, how do you scan to email? So for example, I want to scan. Let us get a paper which we can use. I have some here jobs. Let me first print all, then I show you. So now I want us to use this paper to scan to email. So you have to press it here on top if you want to scan to email. When you press it like this, you can either use, if the paper is small, you can use this adjuster to hold it properly. But this one is A4. This is the size. If you want, you can also put it like this according to the size of the paper. Yes, also here it gives you the measurements of the papers which you can use, and also it gives you that face up or face hot, like that. So once we put here the paper, we hold it like this properly, then you can come here. When you come here, just you click on scan to email. Then we have this single-sided and the duplex. So single-sided, it means that the paper will be scanned only one side, this side, the upper part. When you put this two-sided or duplex, it means that it will print this side and also this side. Sorry, it will scan to email this side, also this side. Okay, let's try duplex. When you try duplex, then we click on print. As you have seen that the paper was scanned 2 times. It came and also went back. But when you put single, when you put like that and you come here, you scan to single, it will only go once, as you can see. So that is what we call single. Okay, so that is how we can scan to email. So we have also copier. So once you click here, how you can call photocopy using this machine. So this machine has a lot of functions here, but I will only show you how you can print, for example, how you can photocopy using this is A4. This is A4 size. So from here it will give you the sizes. This is A4. It will come from here up to here, as you can see. So it's for you, just fit it there on the bottom. It will not touch this side, but just it is okay. So here it will scan only this side, so you have to press it like this, like that. So cross. Once you cross, then here this machine, as I say that it is good at printing colors. Yeah, so from here you will choose, you want black and white, or you want full color. You can put it auto colors if you don't know how to choose the color. So you can just put auto color, then you select the paper to A4. If you don't know the size of the paper which you have put, let the machine decide for you, which is also good. So here you want full, you don't want it to convert. It also has converting. You can convert it to either A4 or depends what you want. If you click on auto reduce or enlarge, it will give you option of A3, changing A3 to A4, or changing A4 to A5 according to the size which you want. So for now, let us only photocopy. So let us photocopy only. So as you see, this is the photocopy of the paper which we have pressed down here. So as you can see, so let us proceed, and I show you how we can print ID. Okay, then now I'm going to show you how we can photocopy an ID on without the changing of the paper, or without using downsides of the paper. So I'm going to show you. We have here, once you open here and you put the ID like this and you close, then once you come on the machine here, sorry, the machine has locked. Let me use the same ID to open the machine. So put the ID here and ensure that you don't exceed A4. If you want it on A4, you cannot put it this side, because A4 starts from here up to here. So once you put it there, then you can cross. Then you come here on the machine, then you click on copier. So from here you have to choose the color. First you have to choose the color. For example, I want full color of the ID. Then I want to use ID copy, right? And I want it on A4. If you're not sure, you have to use auto. Okay, so let us start. Once you click, the machine will give you that sound and show you that it is ready. So you have to open again. You change the side like this, then you cross, meaning now here you want to put the ID on the same side of the paper. So again you come here and print. As you can see, the ID has appeared on the same side of the paper. It has appeared on same side of the paper. So this is the way how you can print the ID if you want it to appear on the same side without changing like this, or opening and removing the paper. So let us go ahead, and so this is scan. We are now going to scan to folder. So from here, scan to folder, you have to make sure that you know the folder name where you are going to scan your file. For example, you have to check on whether the machine is connected to your computer. If it is connected on your computer, then you have to know your share folder name. Once you know the folder name, then when you click here, then it will ask you to open your folder name. Once you open the folder name, then you can scan or any document, then it will go directly to your share folder. Yes, so that is the way how you can use share folder, or what we call scanning to folder. Then once you finish using this machine, you have to ensure that you log out, so that someone else does not use your account to scan things or without the proper access. So let's go to my jobs. So my jobs, from here, for example, if you are using the same account with many people, when you find here there is a lot of work, so you cannot click print all, because you might print other people's work. So you just come to my jobs. When you click to my jobs, you will find here jobs. Right now I don't have, but I can show you from here. So this is the previous work which I scanned before. So you can choose which one. Once you click on it like this, then you can print it from here. Yes, you can choose like this, all of them, then you can print from here. Yes, so let's go ahead and go to ID registration. So once you have the password and you want to register your ID, you just come here, you put the password, you open your, for example, like how now it is open, you click on ID registration. You want to register your ID, the machine will tell you that ID card registration, press your card to the reader. So you press your card here on the reader. Once you press it there, then the machine will register it. But unfortunately mine is already registered. Yeah, then it will automatically log out. Then you can from there you can use the card. You can use the card to open the machine like that. Yes, so that's how you can register your ID. Yes, so let's go ahead and check other stuff. Then once you are using this machine and, for example, it doesn't work, it will always show you here a red status. The computer will show you a red status. So what you need to do is to click on this check status. Once you click on check status, most of the times, for example, it has the papers, maybe it's missing the paper, it will always show you the status, either to put the papers or to put either something else. Yeah, so always once you come and print and it's not printing, it will always show you here status. Yes, either you want to print using your USB, you press it here and you print. Yes, so then for the papers, it's just only simple. Once the paper gets done, then you can open from here and you insert the papers, as you can see. So same to all, you can open like that and you put the papers. Yes, so that is the simple tutorial how you can use this machine to do simple tasks. Yes, but for other like tracking like activities or searching for the previous work which you have printed. It is also, I'm going to show you. Once you open it, for example, you want to check the work which you printed before, you just go back to here. It will show you the work which you printed before, then you can go ahead and print. Yes, yeah, like that. So these are the jobs here, the jobs display here. Yes, like that, like that, like that. Yeah, okay guys, if you want to delete the job, once you touch on it, you can click here and you delete the job. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, or you want me to show you more about something else, you can please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.